Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are making a great rice dish to be prepared in no time called rice and lentils, ADAS Palao. It's simple, easy, and you can make it with chicken, beef, or even with no meat. For the spices, we'll be using 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, and half a tablespoon of coriander powder. I have 2 medium-sized onions, 2 medium-sized tomatoes, 5 to 6 green chilies, depend how spicy you wanna make it, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, salt as per taste, and lemon is optional. I have few bay leaves over here. I'm using 4 of them, different sizes. It's just to make my rice more yummy. Add bay leaves with green chilies, ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, diced tomato, and half a tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder and coriander powder. Now add 1 cup of washed and soaked lentils. Please don't overcook the lentils. It's time to add my greenery. I'm adding mint and coriander. It's totally optional.